Go beyond the screen and dive into the world of information technology with a degree from Kirtland. Our new and improved program gives you the tools to find a lucrative career across Northern Michigan and beyond. Our information technology program is offered completely online and combines academic training and theory with real-life practical experience to round out your professional credentials. And you don't even need to step foot on campus. Information technology professionals are in high demand in fields like healthcare and manufacturing to major corporations like Amazon and Apple. So why Kirtland? We'll give you exposure to real-world computer systems, networks, and technical platforms, providing a pathway for certifications in programs like CompTIA A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus. Combined with our affordable tuition and transferable credits, Kirtland is the place to get your information technology career started. Local employers in your area are offering well over $60,000 a year for qualified professionals. There's nothing holding you back from gaining the skills you need to succeed in information technology.